So you've actually got people out there that will rock Adidas with Jordans. Huh? What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on. And we've got a little fun topic here today, which is basically, would you rock Adidas with Nike/Jordan brand? Yikes. I personally couldn't do it. It's just those two brands together, it just don't make sense. I've noticed it here and there on Instagram, and every time I see it, I'm like, what are you doing? I've seen a lot of girls doing it. All these fitness girls, they'll be rocking their Adidas leggings or whatever, and then there'll be like a new shoe that comes out that they're probably advertising, like the Epic Reacts or whatever, and be rocking Adidas leggings with some Nike shoes, and I'm just like, that's not it. That's not it. That doesn't, no. Don't do it. Something about those two brands that you just cannot put them together, or it just seems crazy. I actually saw one picture one time of a guy rocking Adidas track pants and some Jordan 1s, and oddly, it looked kind of nice, but I could never do it and like be serious about doing it. It just seems too crazy to me. Me personally, like when I'm going to the gym, I think I mentioned this before, generally when I'm going to the gym, it's normally after work. Generally to work, I wear Nike Epic Reacts, but if I know in my gym like clothes that I've got, it's going to be some like Adidas tracksuit bottoms, I have to wear Adidas sneakers to work. I can't, even in the gym, I just feel super uncomfortable rocking Nikes and Adidas. I feel like maybe I've done it once without remembering, change my trainers, but nah, that's not for me. And it's crazy, it shouldn't be that silly, but it's just like they're too big a rival and their brands are too like blatant for it to be a thing. Me personally, when it comes to some other like smaller brands, I actually don't mind doing it. I've got quite a few of those like Nike Tech Fleece tracksuits. Like I've got all grey, all black, some camo ones. With them, when it comes to the footwear, I'll generally wear Nike or Jordan with them, but I'll wear Asics with them, not really think too much about it at all. Something to do with like Asics, Vans, probably Diodora as well, Saucony. I'll rock them with whatever. It's actually annoying when you've actually got some sort of like branded clothes that you think, this actually colour matches dope, but I can't do it. Luckily for me, I haven't got too much stuff that goes like crazy well with my Adidas, so it's not something that I'm stumped on a lot, but it's a no-no. Let's be honest, it can't run. But I'm seeing people do it. I see it super duper often as well, like on the street. I think like Adidas will come out with a dope tracksuit, because let's be honest, even if people mainly into Nikes, Adidas makes dope clothing, I think personally. And they had their little Adi colour tracksuits that came out recently, and I've seen so many people in like a bright blue Adidas tracksuit, and they're rocking white and white Air Force Ones or something like that, and I'm like, it actually looks fine because it's white and white Air Force Ones. You can't even see the logo on it technically, so it looks like white shoe, but I know what it is, and it's doing my head in seeing it. But yeah, silly little topic, but tell me your thoughts. Would you do it? Do you do it? Do you like consciously do it? Would you be like, hell no, I ain't doing that shit? But anywho, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I do videos like this every single Monday, and sneaker reviews as and when I pick stuff up. Hopefully I'll have some more sneaker reviews done this week. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, it is AshBash Sneakers, and Twitter is Perfection7. I'm out. Radio.